How's it, guys? Gonna be a short, quick one. We've got a little Mariner 4-horse here that we want to get ready for the river for the holidays, but it won't idle. So we've pulled the carburetor off. Very simple. Unfortunately, I've already taken it off, so carburetor sits here. So I've got the carburetor off the motor. Little carb, very small motor. So I'm suspecting that this bowl is full of rubbish from standing for so long, so we're going to pull this bowl off first. So what we do, it's still full of fuel, so I'll loosen it from the bottom like this. It's got 4 screws. You just take it out carefully so you don't spill the petrol. And then let me try and turn this around now. You can have a look there. Got a little float. We can take the float out. Back on the carb. And an inspection of that will tell you immediately if there's any dirt or rubbish lying at the bottom of that carburetor. This one's very dirty. I'll just pour this out and then show you just how badly it is, how badly the sediment is built up in the bottom of the float chamber. The motor's been standing for quite a long time when we fetched it today, and you can see there's a whole lot of sediment in the bottom of the carburetor, a lot of sediment. Look at that. Yeah. So I think that's the reason for our idle issue. I'm going to clean it out and pull the jets out, make sure the jets are clear. So I've given that little bowl a clean out, all the rubbish is out. I just used some petrol to clean it. Ideally, if I had some carburetor cleaner lying around, that would help immensely. But at least we got rid of the gunk at the bottom. So what we're going to do here, got a little idle screw there. Take that out. I'm sure that screw is blocked. Very, very tiny, so let's see if I can get into the camera there. So anyway, inside there, definitely a problem there, but this is where age becomes one, and you have 2 pairs of glasses. So got a very soft piece of copper wire, and so I actually got in there earlier. I cleaned it, so I don't know if you can see that. You need to try and zoom that out. The copper wire goes in. Anyway, I can see it coming through on the other side, but it was full of rubbish inside there. So we're going to reassemble this now, and 2 glasses. Reassemble it, give the motor a kick. Let's see what happens. Bits that we think are the problem cleaned out. Reassembly is just the opposite way you took it out. It's that simple. Float back on, float ball back on. 4 screws. Don't over tighten. Very soft aluminium composite, I think it is. Over tightening strip screws. You don't want a strip screw in a carburetor, especially just before the December holidays. putting the carburetor back is just the opposite of removing it. This nut stays on. A bit of a mission to get to it. You've got a slit in the carb, so you can just slide it in there. Slide it in. Put it back on there. A little bit of a trick to get in this back in. Yeah, those are a little tricky, but it's on. So that one is on there. And that one is on there. Just tighten them up. Okay, accelerator cable goes back through here. Anyway, I'm gonna battle along with these with this space. The Japanese really didn't give us much space to work. Oh no, sorry, it's not Japanese Mariner. No, it is Japanese. Is it Japanese? Yep. Can't remember. Some of them made by Yamaha. I'm going to assemble this quickly, get all that together, put the fuel line back on, and then we will start it up and see what happens. On the other side here, got the little choke lever. And that just needs to clip. That just needs to clip in there. There we go. Check operation. Perfect. Airbox back on. Just set that idling down a bit. It's running a little bit too high. there you have it. Job well done, I think. It was quick and easy, idling sorted. It wasn't idling at all. You had to run it at about half throttle to keep the motor running. So yeah, problem solved. Got a bit of play on the propeller. I'm going to pull that off quick and see what that is all about. And if it's anything interesting, then I'll do a video on that. But in the meantime, tight lines, enjoy the upcoming weekend. And if you catch anything, hey, please share it on our streams. Cheers.